Yo guys, this is your artist Tolg, and today you are back on my channel. Today I will create a new character. I got commissioned again with another OC. Well, it's actually a subscriber as a Saiyan. Branden wanted to make a gift for his friend, which is this guy, and he wanted me to draw him as a Super Saiyan Blue, battle damaged, and with huge muscles on an A4 size paper in portrait mode. He got inspired by this drawing of Vegeta Blue Evolution I did about 2 months ago, which really turned out very good. You guys really loved this drawing, because I received a lot of commissions according to this drawing. I just have to say thank you for all the commissions I get from you guys. You are amazing. So, let's check out the process of the drawing together, stay with me to the end, and I will talk to you at the end again.
The wrong direction, I'll turn around and try again. Time will heal, so they say. But I think of it every day. It belongs to the past now. I'm moving on. Try
I sit alone in a crowded room, wanting nothing more than to be removed. We play these people like they're a game. Who has the most in the end wins. How are we so blind? Have I always been this blind? I stared at gilded walls, but I never felt the fall. Lead me into your arms. I'm afraid anywhere else might break my heart. I'm never satisfied. We're never satisfied. We operate under this false illusion that we deserve anything at all. Lead me into your arms. I'm afraid anywhere else might break my heart. Lead me into your arms. I'm afraid anywhere else might break my You're breaking down my walls I've had for so long. I want nothing more. I want nothing more. All for my personal gain, to satisfy my vanity. I want nothing more. Now I want nothing more. You're breaking down my walls, ones I've had for so long. Now I want nothing more. Now I want nothing more.
Last details and then we are done with this drawing for Branden. Let's take a look at it.
I want nothing more now.
I think it turned out very good, guys. I really like the hair, the muscles and the coloring. But I think the best part of this drawing is the aura. The aura really turned out great. In my opinion, the simple Super Saiyan like aura is the best of all. Branden is very happy with the end result as well, and I'm happy to be a part of this gift for his friend. But how do you like the drawing, guys? Did you enjoy this video today? If yes, give this video a like and let me know. I'm sure that we can reach 1000 likes with this video today, so smash a like button right now. Also comment below what you want to see next, and of course comment your opinion on this drawing as well down below. If you are new on my channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the alarm bell to get notified every time I upload a new video. What else? You can find all the materials including the Copic color numbers in the description box below. And you can message me if you want to order a drawing as well. All the links to my social media accounts are also in the description. That's it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching and I see you next week. Until then, stay healthy, stay fit, be a good person, be you, and always remember, you are the designer of your own life.